Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to set up Orange TV box. This box has HDMI portal and USB port also. So let's start how to connect it. So basically if your internet modem is close to your TV, then you can connect directly with internet cable. So if you connect the power cable, internet cable and also Ethernet cable, as soon as it is connected, you will see the main screen start coming up with the Orange TV. If you are directly connected to the internet, simply click on live TV. When you click on it, it will ask you to update. Simply allow it. It will automatically download. Process start. It may take few minutes. After download, click on install app, then eTV app. After this, box will restart automatically. Then you click for IPTV setup. When you click on live TV, it will go inside on eTV setting page. Select setting and then servers. So in the server, here you need to get the URL from your service provider. And if you don't have any URL, feel free to call us or contact us. When you edit the given portal URL, you can start watching all the live TV and the recorded stuff. You can see the list of channels, so you can categorize with the English, Hindi and other also. I'm sure you'll like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and do share with your friends.